Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, section standard 10th, video number 60, Introduction to Trigonometry, section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Given that 1 plus cot square theta equals to root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 the whole raised to 4. Remember this, root is only for 3 plus 2 root 2. Then find 1 upon tan theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Here firstly, what is 1 plus cot square theta? That is cosec square theta. So cosec square theta equals to root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 the whole raised to 4, right? See, these are the identities. 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta, tan square 1 plus tan square equals to sec square, sin square plus cos square equals to 1. So our problem becomes root 3 minus 2 root 2 the whole root minus 1 the whole raised to 4 and cosec square on the left side. Keep it as it is now. We'll solve only RHS now. See this, 3 convert this to 2 plus 1. Then it becomes what? 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 1. This can be written as root 2 square plus 2 root 2 into 1 plus 1 square, right? This one and 1 as it is. So what this becomes? A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b the whole square. Therefore it becomes root 2 plus 1 the whole square, right? Minus 1 the whole raised to 4. Okay, now solve this. Square and square root gone, so root 2 plus 1 minus 1 the whole raised to 4. Okay, so 1 minus 1 gone, so root 2 raised to 4 it should be. So cosec square theta equals to root 2 raised to 4, right? So cosec theta will be what? Root 2 raised to 2, right? Square root. So 4 square root is 2. So root 2 raised to 2. But what is root 2 raised to 2? That is 2. Therefore cosec theta equals to 2, right? But what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta, right? See these. Cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta, sec 1 upon cos, cot 1 upon tan. So sin theta will be equal to what? Reverse of this then, 1 upon 2, right? Therefore, now sin theta is 1 upon 2. So, whose sin is 1 upon 2? This, 30. So, theta will be 30. What is the target? Tan theta, sin theta and cos theta. Out of that sin theta we got tan and cos. We have to find out. Now, we found out theta. So, look at 30 degrees. Cos is root 3 by 2. Tan is 1 by root 3. Okay. So, let's put the values. Tan 1 by root 3. Cos is root 3 by 2. Therefore, 1 upon tan theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta equals to 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus root 3 by 2, right? Getting this? Equals to root 3, see this, root 3 goes up, root 3 plus 1 upon 2. Now solve this, 2 plus root 3 the whole upon 2. Now this 2 will go up, so equals to root 3 plus 1 into 2, right? This 2 goes up upon 2 into 2 plus root 3, 2 gone. So root 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now solve this, equals to 2 plus root 3 cross this into root 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus root 3, right? Solve this, 2 root 3 plus 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus root 3, right? Equals to 2 root 3 plus 4 upon 2 plus root 3, right? Therefore solve it further, take 2 common, 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3, right? So that's gone, 2 remains. So the answer is 2. Therefore 1 upon tan theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta equals to 2. Okay. Next, state true or false. First one, 3 sin theta minus cos theta the whole raised to 4 plus 6 sin theta plus cos theta the square plus 4 sin raised to 6 plus cos raised to 6 sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta is independent of theta. Means independent means what? There should not be any theta in the answer. Is it so? Let's check. This is quite tough one. Huh? Let's solve one by one. 3 sin theta plus cos theta the whole raised to 4. It can be written as 2 and then raised to 2. So solve the inner bracket. 3 into sin square minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta the whole square, right? But sin square theta is plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore 3 into 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta the whole square, right? Now solve this again. A minus b the whole square equals to 3 into 1 minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Now solve this. Equals to 3 minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. Put this as equation number 1. Okay. Now next, 6 sin theta plus cos theta the whole square equals to 6, solve this, a plus b the whole square, sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. So sin square cos square 1. So 6 into 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Solve this. 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta. Now last one. 4 into sin raised to 6, this one, right? 4 into sin raised to 6 plus cos raised to 6, theta both, equals to 4 into sin square theta the whole cube plus cos square theta cube, right? So what is this now? A cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? Solve this. Equals to 4 into sin square, this sin square plus cos square, it becomes 1. So forget it. So what does this become? Solve 4. So 4 sin raised to 4 theta minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta, multiply this 4 inside, right? Plus 4 cos raised to 4 theta equals to 4 into sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta, right? Okay, next equals to 4 into sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Means what? See, this what we have written, a square plus b square, we have written it as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab, right, this way, and this minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta is outside. Okay, so equals to 4 into sin square plus cos square is 1, so make it 1. So 4 into 1, 4 minus 4 to the 8 sin square theta cos square theta, and here 4 sin square theta cos square theta as it is. So this becomes 12 now, equals to 4 minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. This is equation number 3. Okay. Now what we have to do? Put these values in the given question, right? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So adding 1, 2 and 3, we get given expression equals to 3 minus this 1 now, this full. 3 minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. This is 12 sin square theta cos square theta, this one. Okay. So 12 sin square theta cos square theta. Now 2 plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta. Now 3 plus 4 minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. Now solve this. 12 gone. Here 12 gone. So what remains? 6 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 13. Now it's only 13, no sin theta cos theta. So what does it mean? It is independent of theta, which is pure number independent of theta. That's why the given statement is true. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos and you'll learn them within 3 months. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.